Hey everyone, my name is Lena and today I am starting a new video for my So Fun video series. I'm going to be recreating the Mean Girls Christmas talent show costume. I'm going to the fabric store and I'm gonna search for either the red velvet fabric or the latex fabric because I kind of liked the Ariana Grande version of it and I just think it looks a little bit more cuter. That's what I'm going to do and I'm really excited about this because hopefully, depending on how long this takes, I'm also going to be making some costumes for my friends so we can do like a little dance recreation. So we'll see how that goes. So step 1, fabric shopping. Let's go. I wasn't sure if I should go with the latex fabric or if I should go with the velvet fabric because I really like the Ariana Grande version better because it's just more flattering, I think, for today's standards than the like mini skirt latex version. I ended up going with velvet. And here it is. I got 3 yards of this red velvet fabric. It's very stretchy, you know, it's your typical velvet. I also got some elastic, which I never really end up using, so I don't know why I bought this. I also got this for the belt. I do need the like white furry trim. Tomorrow I'm gonna check out Joann's because the fabric store that I went to didn't have that. Let's try to cut this out. I finished the skirt. I finished one skirt. I feel like I wasted a bunch of fabric. Here it is. Let me show you guys. Here it is. Circle skirt is finished for me, and I wanted to make some for my friends so we can do like a whole little bit. So right now I'm going to Joann's because I want to get the trim, like the Santa trim. Hopefully they have it. Then after that I'm gonna head up the fabric barn again and get like 2 yards of this fabric. I just feel kind of annoyed because if I watched that YouTube video, the one that I used to help me cut the circle skirt, if I watched that one first, I wouldn't have wasted so much fabric. We are going to the store now. Okay, I don't have a really good mirror. Obviously, I have this cheap ass mirror, but this is how this skirt looks. It looks really cute. I went to Joann's and to the fabric store that I always go to. At Joann's, I found this, as you guys seen, and it was cheap. The other one that I showed you guys, it was $10 a yard, and I was not about to pay that. So I found this one, which was just $6 for 6 feet, which is gonna be, I don't even know if it's gonna be enough, honestly, for like the costumes for my friends. So I don't even know if I'm gonna do it still. And then I got another yard of this velvet fabric. Now this should be fine for the skirt. And then I think the fabric that I have will be good for the tops, hopefully. So yeah, let's try and make those tops first. And then I can have like a full-on outfit. And yeah, this should be fun, guys. Alright guys, so the straps I'm really getting annoyed of because my machine is giving me a hard time and it keeps on undoing right there. So I'm going to do this in a little bit while I just, you know, kind of reset a little bit. I'm gonna do a zigzag stitch. the top now, and I have it as a tube top right now, but I'm going to put the straps on in a little bit, and I'm just gonna put it on the front. I'm going to sew in these straps. Tiny zigzag stitch right at there. I finished making these two skirts, which is the same process that I did the other one, obviously. And now I'm going to do like the trim on this one, on these, and then I'm going to make the tank tops, and then we're gonna be done. I bought 4 of these from Hobby Lobby, these feather boas, and these were cheaper than the ones that I found at Joann's, and they were $3.99 actually, so it's significantly cheaper. And I really like the way these ones look because they are a bit more fuller. I'm just finishing up the last skirt. The trick that I do is I try to sew on this like rope thing that the feather boas have. She's one of my models.
It has a little curve right here, which I like.
That is it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it helped you guys if you guys plan on doing this maybe next year or what. Just a fun costume to have on hand for the holidays. It was really fun. Merry Christmas and have a Happy New Year. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see more videos like this. Maybe you guys can leave requests on like iconic costumes that you guys want me to try to recreate. I'll be so down to do that. And also follow me on Instagram. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this.